and sunflower are so soothing and uplifting.
Okay, what kind of flowers and plants grow near where you live?
Sir, actually, I live in the northern areas of Pakistan. It's northern side, hilly areas. So I live where I live. There's mostly I found a very variety of beautiful flowers and plants. They are mostly apricot trees and peaches trees. They are delicious fruits in summer season, and the deodar trees are more popular.
Okay, is it important to have flowers and plants in your home?
Yes, it's important to have a flowers and plants in my home. It brings a lot of benefits. They not only add a beauty and color to our living space, but also have a positive impact our well-being. Plants can help purify the air, reduce the stress, and create a calming atmosphere.
Okay, have you ever bought flower for someone else?
Yes, once I have bought a sunflower for my teacher on the Teacher's Day. His name was Shehzad Ahmad Khan Baloch, who was a nice teacher. So I bought a flower for him on a Teacher Day.
Okay, let's do part two. You need to speak at least 2 minutes. Describe a review you read about a product or service. You should say where you read the review, what the product or service was, what information the review gave about the product or service, and explain what you did as a result of reading this review.
Okay, sir. I read a review about the plant service called Bloom and Grow. I read a review online on a website where people can share their thoughts and experience about different products and service. The person who wrote it said they really liked the plants they got. They thought the plants were packed nicely, so they arrived in a good shape. The reviews also mentioned that there were lots of different plants and other products to choose from online on the website, and the price were fair. They had a good experience with Bloom and Grow, and said they would recommend to others. And as a result, review like this can help others and also to me to decide if someone want to any product or service to try.
Okay, let's do part three. Let's talk about online reviews. What kind of things do people write online reviews about in your country?
In Pakistan, mostly people write online reviews about the various products like services like restaurants, clothing brands, and beauty stuff. Mostly beauty stuff, beauty products, are even online shopping from the websites.
Why do some people write online reviews?
Some people write online reviews to share their experience with others. They want to help people make good decisions by providing honest feedback about the products and the service they have tried.
Okay, do you think that online reviews are good for both shoppers and companies?
Yeah, I think it's good for both shoppers and companies. It's good for both. Shoppers can read a review online, and they have to receive feedback from others. They say their product is beneficial, and the quality of most, especially the quality of the products. And for the companies, it also be beneficial. They can provide honest feedback from others about their products and services.
Okay, let's talk about customer service.
Okay, sir. I think I have done.
Do you think you have done?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Farman.